Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot see your WhatsApp messages on Honor View 20. So if you don't have your WhatsApp messages, always start from the simplest way, just check your DND mode. Now, in the top menu, expanded icons, make sure that you have this icon deactivated like here. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp app, not on this device, we have to open the settings. Then go to the apps and choose apps again. Now go to the WhatsApp and let's start from the notifications. Check that you have this feature activated. After that, go to the more settings. Now check that you have turned on high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the data usage and turn on the mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data and roaming data. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and choose clear data. Tap on the OK. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your notifications. But if you still don't have it, let's open settings. Go to the system and updates and choose reset. Now tap on the network settings and tap on the reset network settings twice. In the next step, let's open the system and updates like before and choose software update. If you have any updates, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.